Specially designed digital audio recording devices built for this purpose reduce the human error of a court reporter, but they do record indiscriminately. They cannot discern important parts of the proceedings from extrinsic noises in the courtroom. Okay, so here I feel like with what I have underlined, built for this purpose, and then my answer choices, I have intended for this use, constructed for this function. It almost seems like one of those style formality type questions because I have built versus intended versus constructed. But in this particular question, my answer choices look a little different than in some of the others. So I still have no change. I have these two answers in B and C that seem similar to what's in the sentence already. But now I also have D, delete the underlined portion. If I ever have an answer choice to delete the underlined portion, I'm going to take a careful look at that because that's going to have a couple of functions. It might be eliminating some wordiness. It might be eliminating some redundancy, meaning something was already said in the passage and I can then eliminate what's underlined. So I'm going to actually check D first. So here, if I look at the sentence and I read it through without the underlined portion, I'm left with specially designed digital audio recording devices reduce the human error of a court reporter, but they do record indiscriminately, etc. Here, if I eliminate that, my sentence totally still makes sense. But if I look even closer, here I have specially designed digital audio recording devices. Well, if they're specially designed, I already know that they were built for this purpose, intended for this use, constructed for this function. I've already been told that in a different way. That's less wordy. So what I have here is actually a bit of redundancy. So my answer choice is D.